welcome to Gemma's Playhouse. Today we're at the Streetcar Museum. And this is the ice cream parlor where you can get ice cream. And these are the train tracks, and we were riding a train a little earlier, and it was a lot of fun. And we were eating ice cream at the ice cream parlor, and it was so good. And I had strawberry and chocolate, and my daddy had strawberry. And this is the front of the streetcar where the ice cream is all in, and you can pretend to push buttons.
Yeah.
And I don't really do anything.
That's the one.
I don't. We also can't move them.
Yes?
Over there is the station of where you wait for the streetcar, and that is the sound of the streetcar, and we will go on for a little ride, and let's have a little walk over to the station. And over here is where the streetcar will come. This train will come, and we will be waiting for the streetcar because it's going to be a very fast ride because we already went on it a little earlier today.
You got front row and center, eh?
You want to go up and sit up in the front? You want to walk up or stand?
You are riding on a 1921 streetcar from Toronto. It went out of service in 1962, and this is what used to take everyone to work and to school, the 20s, right up to 1954 when the subway opened. After that, it was limited service to the exhibition, and then in 1962, it was finally retired and it came up here. And it went down to the movie Cinderella Man in 2004, and it was actually in the movie Cinderella Man right at the very beginning, about 30 seconds right at the beginning of the movie. You hear the ding ding and off the streetcar goes. So enjoy. Gonna go for a little ride in the forest. Here we go. Some of the other cars, streetcars and subway trains in the parking lot is the red train was the Gloucester subway train from England. And it was the first subway car built for Canada, for Toronto's subway system in 1954. The next car is a Chicago subway car. It was brought up here in 1992. The next yellow one, believe it or not, used to take rail out to the subway at night for rail replacement. That's RT 2829. It was retired about 12 years ago. And that silver one was Canada's first subway train ever built in Canada. It was built for the University subway. And that's at the time was the longest subway car ever built in North America at 75 feet long. And they have some electric locomotives from the old Lake Erie and Northern Railway and the London and Port Stanley Railway. Stove right there. That's what used to heat all the people. You want to see the hole in the roof? That's where the stovepipe used to go, right there. And there was a big stove here that used to heat everybody in the wintertime. It was like a big, like a wood stove, but it was coal. As cold as a rock that gets really hot when you put fire on it, and it warms everybody up.
I had a really fun time riding the streetcars, and that's it for Gemma's Playhouse. Bye, see you next time.